From before me have no picnic, me always tell myself, say me no want breed up for no different man. And I send some pick them now have the same last name. It no look good. But in your life not always go like how you plan. So me have 5 picnic and now for 5 different daddy. But me make sure they have the same last name though. Cause when me and my first baby father left, me just make sure me find one man we have the same last name as him. And when me and him left, me find one next man we have the same last name. So all of my picking their name Thomas. No one my picking they have no different name. Make people cuss me. They have the same like they my different daddy, but they have the same last name though.
How you mean, baby? A girl can't chat to you, cause the whole of your picking them have the same name. A girl have to go inside. Hi, funny video lovers. Here's a brand new funny video compilation. Please give us your comments on the videos that are funniest to you. Well, okay then. Let's jump into the video.
We do it.
We did it.
Hello, me have Obama for the next slide.
Hi.
Alright, well, I'm gonna call Joe. Hello?
Yo,
Joe.
I was Joe this.
I'm Joe Bogdanovich, principal of Downtown Entertainment,
What's going on, man?
owners of Reggae Sunfest.
Obama, well on. I rang Joe.
Uh-oh.
Joe Biden? Alright, see Boston now.
Hi.
We did it, Joe.
Ready to go to work?
You're gonna be the next president of the United States.
Camilla, you couldn't ask me if I could have sort out my thing. The green card.
Me have a video that got viral the other day. And some famous people share it. Raga Shanti share it. All of the mayors them in Jamaica share it. Couple MP share it. Flight Green. Whole heap of people share the video. It get over 2 million ad views. But one somebody share the video. And all know me not tell him thanks. Shibada. But guess why me not tell him thanks all now? Me not know how to tell him thanks. And I wonder if my friend them now I go alright with me same way. Cause if me go tell him thanks now, you know, him I go want in a more conversation with me, you know. So this is why me not tell him thanks though. When me see him share the video, him hold it up back and say, Lord Jamaica, me not tell no lie. Diego funny bad. And then guess what the worst part? Him not stop it, they say, you know? Hear him pantapite. Uno no see same funnier than me.
Bruh.
Hey, hold on, this shit ain't funny. It ain't funny, but it is.
Yeah, how much?
4,040 next time I come in, sir.
How old is him be? It sound like him a walk out before Jesus Christ himself.
Yeah, that's that.
Friday 30 born, sir. From first creation to second creation to Revelation to World War III coming up next.
So we're going to start World War III.
No worry about that. Coming up time.
Yo, Leo, how you smell so? How I go on?
You see them day at work. My boss send me out for go buy 2 pounds of flour. But I not see not 2 pounds of flour, I only see them now 1 pound bag. So I not bother buy him. I go back and tell him. And he cuss me and say, yo, 1 + 1 = 2.
Yeah, that's
so,
true.
yes, and he said, if you use me head, so I say, so bam now, 2 there now. And he send me out to go buy one size 6 shoes, you know.
Size 6.
Yeah. I mean, I see no size 6, I only see size 3. So I buy 2 size 3s, you know, 3 + 3 = 6.
Yeah, 6.
Yeah. Let me do the calculation.
So yeah, there so now.
And give me a day off.
How you know that?
Because he said me for go on home.
Yeah, day off. Have it true.
What a way this a boy a fool. Lord take your case.
Anymore? I am mine. Set. Go. Go down.
What Watch there. Nobody never tell him said that no work.
Baby, I'm home. Baby, you now want me to do her? What shall you now want me to do her? The fuck I go on you, sir? Want me to do her now? Want me to do her? Want me to fuck do her, man?